Step-by-step guide to an amicable divorce in Alameda. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you and your spouse are on the same page and looking to end your marriage without drama or court battles, you're in the perfect position for an amicable divorce. And if you're in Alameda County, you can handle the entire process online with the right guidance. Let's walk through the step-by-step process of how to complete an amicable divorce in Alameda. Step 1 is filing the initial divorce forms, including the petition and summons. If you have children, you'll also need the UCCJEA form. All documents must be e-filed in Alameda County as the court requires electronic filing. That means formatting matters. Mistakes can lead to rejections and delays. Step 2 is serving your spouse. If they're cooperative, the easiest method is having them sign a notice of acknowledgement. This eliminates the need for formal service and speeds up the process. Step 3 is exchanging financial disclosures. Even in amicable cases, this is required by law. Both parties must share their income, assets, debts, and expenses so that the agreement is based on full transparency. Step 4 is preparing and signing your marital settlement agreement. This document outlines how you're dividing property, handling support, and managing custody if children are involved. Once both parties sign, you're ready to move on to the final step. Step 5 is submitting your full judgment package for court approval. Since Alameda County processes everything online, your judgment must be correctly formatted and include all required forms. If done right, the court will review and approve it, finalizing your divorce as soon as the 6-month waiting period expires. We recently helped a couple in Alameda who had a completely amicable split. They just didn't want to deal with the paperwork. We filed everything within 2 weeks, got their agreement signed, and submitted the judgment exactly on day 31. Now they're simply waiting for the court to finalize it on the earliest possible date. At Divorce 661, we specialize in amicable divorces. We make the process fast, affordable, and completely remote. You don't go to court. You don't deal with confusing paperwork. We handle it all. If you're ready to start your amicable divorce in Alameda County, visit Divorce661.com and book your free consultation. We'll guide you step by step and make sure your divorce is handled quickly, smoothly, and stress-free.